Hi there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Time for another update on Denise's portfolio. She's bought another $1,000. Let's see what she's bought. But one thing she did buy, she bought me these baked beans. 2.95 kilograms of baked beans. Excellent. I only asked for a tin. Didn't expect it to be this much, but it was on special. So, hey, what do? You got to buy the big tin. Let's go. Righty-ho, here we go, $16,166.90. So it has dropped a little bit, even though we put another $1,000 in. The market has been going down. Down, 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 down. Let's go and have a look in the last month. You can see it's dipping, it's dipping, it's dipping. Got down to, well, this was in credit by $72.64. When was that? That's 2 days ago. Put $1,000 in. You can see this little bump here, and it's clawed a little way back. So overall this is up $166.90, which is not great, but at the end of the day the main balance is going up in increments of $1,000 every 2 weeks, and whatever is over and above that is a bonus. And if we have a look and see what Denise bought, well, she bought Marlin Global in 2 lots of shares, a big one there, $986, and a little pipsqueak one there of $19.86. So that's all good. So let's go and have a look at this chart over here, and we will see that Marlin Global now, well, even though it's losing money apparently, almost up to $2,000. We've put $2,000 into it, and it has paid out, well, we'll be paying out $23.58 in dividends very shortly, 17th of December. Let's go and modify this to go and have a look at some of these payments to see when they're coming out. So if we go down here and we go dividend payment date, you can see that the next payment is in on the 3rd of December, which is just over a week away. And then we got some other payments sort of mid to late December. So according to this, in December, $181 worth of dividends. So that will boost things up nicely. So even though the portfolio is only up $166, you might as well consider that we'll be adding all this other money into it, and that will definitely help. And we should be up to 11,300-ish, a bit more hopefully. So it'll be clawing its way back up, put some more money in, getting closer to that 20,000. That'll be a magical time, magical mark to get to. Let's go and have a look at the NZX 50 charts over here. You can see what the market's been doing. Well, the last 6 months, it has gone up, 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 and then it's done a slow, steady decline from the start of October. So that's literally the last 2 months. So a couple of, went down rapidly there just in the last couple of weeks there. It's clawed a little way back, but if you have a look at this yearly graph over here, it really peaked around this, well, around February, end of February there, before the market went on a long, slow decline. So it hasn't even caught up to that time back in February there, but it's a matter of time. It will eventually, and it'll surpass this number here, and it will go up. So now is probably a good time to buy now that the market is dipping, and you'll be getting shares and stocks at bargain prices. Theoretically, well, theoretical bargain prices anyway. So the important thing is just to buy and hold and carry on. So let's go back. Let's go and have a look at the payment months. They haven't changed. December, 6 companies there paying out. So we're still waiting for Stride, I believe, to put their numbers up here for this one. And when they do, potentially that's going to get a whole whopping $200 plus in December. So let's have a look at the dividend page. And total dividends paid out so far since the end of April when the portfolio was started, $267.97, with another just about $200 to come, plus Stride, which will pay out. So that's going to boost that well in excess of, well, it's probably going to get close to $500 by the end of the year, although that is including January for next year, which is already on the radar, so that's a good thing. So not bad. Going to get up to, well, pushing their way close to $400. Might get there Hard to say, but doesn't really matter. Oh, sorry, $500. Might get to $500 for this year. That would be fantastic if she did. But we'll just see what happens. And next year, it'll be a full year of investing, hopefully. So that $500 should be turning into, I think, maybe $1,500. That's what I'm going to hedge my bets on. And if the market goes into a bit of an upturn and starts going back up again, well, it could be even more, but we'll have to wait and see. Just have a quick look at the share allocation. So half of it is in financial services, and mainly that's due to Barramundi, Marlin Global and Kingfish. And also we've got the banks as well, the ANZ and the Westpac. And then you've got got some other stuff, the other half in warehouse and other bits and pieces, Spark, etc., and real estate and some industrials. So need to diversify away from the financial services a bit, but more money will be getting put into these other areas as this portfolio goes along. That about wraps it up for this episode. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this content and leave a comment and hit the bell notification if you want to see more stuff like this. We'll catch you in a couple of weeks for the next on this series of Road to 100K, and have a good one. We'll see you later. Bye.